Hello there, all curious minds out there. So recently we saw that there was one tool which came into the market, which is nothing but a product of Harness, which is Gitness. So Gitness, it is a product of Harness, which is a software delivery platform which is founded by Jyoti Valsi. It aims to simplify and streamline the Git repository landscape by providing a simple and lightweight alternative to existing Git repository services like GitHub and GitLab. It is just like a personal assistant for our code, helping us manage and streamline our coding projects. So we'll see some key features of it, which is very simple. Later on we'll see some advanced features as well. So the very basic feature is that it is very simple. So it is lightweight and it is not as complex as the currently Git clients like GitHub and GitLab are. It is very simple, easy to use, and a beginner would prefer this kind of a simple Git repository to work with and to understand the concepts better initially. The next is the integration. Gitness seamlessly integrates with Harness, CI/CD system, and other tools. It is a very, I would say, a medium learning curve. It doesn't take much of. So it is simple to understand as the pipelines are written in YAML file, that is yet another markup language. Very simple to understand, and most of the things to start with, we have got the proper documentation for the same. Next is that the automated pipelines. We can create basic pipelines and deploy our basic application. We can create the CI as well as CD into the same, and we'll see further in the video. Next is that we can see a lot of plugins are available to be integrated with the Gitness, so that we can integrate the notification tools, or we may integrate Jira and those kind of different tools. Integration plugins are already available for the same. Okay, so next let's have one kitty joke. As we all know that laughter is the best medicine to keep our life healthy, and also knowledge to keep our life wealthy. So it is said that we should commit early, commit often. This is perfect in terms of we work on some application or some software, but this is only a tip for version controlling, not for relationships. So yeah. Next, this is just the theory. Let's dive in some real things. So yeah, this is the website which the Harness product Gitness is hosted on, where we can get all the stuff. Since it is open source, you can find its code on the GitHub. Get started button. This is the docs. It's an open source code hosting and pipeline engine. As I said, you can create the basic pipelines from here. We will get the Git experience packed with very essential features. So one of these its features which I would highlight is that streamlined collaboration and speed. Okay, so Gitness facilitates collaborative code reviews. As you can see here, multiple people can review that code and add comments to that, and that too automated status checks and mandatory reviewers, fostering teamwork and maintaining code quality. Next, these are the reviews. We can add in the reviews. Any user can add in the reviews for the code if it needs to be updated or any concern over there. So seamlessly integrates with our development workflow. Security. So it is a powerful enforcement built on Open Policy Agent, which is a OPA. We can write some policies in the code language, and we can govern our pipeline with that policies. Next, these are some of the features which Gitness provides us as of now. So pull request, we can create the pull request, we can compare the revisions, different commits and different revisions we can compare and see what was added, updated accordingly. We can browse the code over here, code qualities, we can get integrate some webhooks, protected branches. Okay, so we can have the main branch as a protected branch so that only the intended person can change it or make modifications in that. Notifications and alerts. Okay, so this can be achieved with the plugins which it offers. Pipelines ship code fast, automate everything. So it provides a fully integrated CI/CD engine that is beacon features and right on learning curve. Okay, so as you can see here, so we can create the pipelines using the YAML syntax. So this is the pipeline architecture, how it looks. Next we can integrate it. It integrates with our favorite tools. We can create custom integrations as well and also share it with the community. So migration is also very simple and very it is automatically we can migrate from different code repositories and pipelines from Github and Gitlab. It is like just 1-2 button clicks and it is done. See. So it is vendor agnostic, create pipelines of Github, Gitlab, Bitbucket, Azure and platform agnostic, which means we can build pipelines for any language or platform. Works on Linux, Windows and Mac. Also a very important feature this one is that up to 4x faster pipeline execution, because reduced pipeline execution by 90% with intelligent test selection and caging functionality that it provides. So powered by advanced instrumentation and call graph analysis. Speed it gives us. We can template those things. Okay, so these are some of the templates which are sample templates that are provided to us so that we can start from here. Okay, so this is like the Node.js code. So these are the docs available for us. As you can see, multiple a huge list of applications are there, and they have even given us this basic stages and steps to begin with. So that's all for this video. We'll see with some actual implementation of some code in the next video.